What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Giftedhands back to you with another video. I'm out here looking crazy. I don't even look like a barber. I am gonna attempt to do, you know me, I like a number 1.5 or 1 all the way around. I'm not gonna do the sideburns, I'm gonna taper them off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. I have about 45 minutes to my next haircut. So I'm gonna utilize this time to do a self haircut and hopefully you learn something from it. If you're at home just trying to figure out how to cut your own hair, hopefully you can use my tips and techniques to do the same thing for yourself at home. So let's go ahead and clean ourselves up, guys. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. It does good for the videos and it helps the YouTube algorithm find my videos and reach other people. So hit that like button, guys. I miss you guys, man. Love y'all. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. First, get that neck strip. We can do this. Let's see. Alright, we're good. This is a custom cape from Illusion, guys. I found this image on Google. Just blasted it all over this cape. This is not a sponsored video by Illusion, but I just love these capes and their products. Got a matching apron as well. And put my logo right there in the middle. Let's go ahead and get into this cut. We're gonna put a number 1 on it. Lever close. Lever open, lever close. What I like to do is I'll use my hand to see if I feel any patches. And if you have a hand mirror at home, you can use a hand mirror to see if you have any spots behind your head. Get a brush, clipper, number 1 guard. Make sure it's on there. Make sure you hear that snap. You don't want no accidents to happen. Lever all the way closed, guys. Let's go ahead and get to it like this. Alright, so what we're doing is a number 1 all the way around. And I'm just using, I have like a front facing monitor for my camera. I'm just using that to see what I'm doing. I like to get up and go. I like short haircuts. If you are like me, you're gonna love this haircut. Especially if you're okay with going this slow. It's hot right now. I'm in Florida, man. It's super hot. A short haircut like this for the summer, it is good. So my shaped head at the top right here, guys, right here, it's like a cone shape. So I gotta make sure I go in all types of directions to make sure my hair is cut down evenly. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm using this mirror and I can see in my camera still what I'm doing, but I'm also using this side mirror. Kind of hold this guard because it is kind of loose a little bit. So I'm holding this guard to make sure it doesn't fly off. What can be difficult, guys, when you're cutting your own hair is obviously seeing what you're doing. Everything is the opposite when you're looking into another mirror. And also you may find yourself using your opposite hand that you're not really good at, using it to get this side of the head, right? I'm not left-handed, but I'm using it because it's a lot easier to cut the left side of my head, which you're looking at me seeing the right side, but it's, you know, it's turned. You get the point. My wife just called me and told me some good news from my daughter. She has been trying out for a new dance studio, and she tried out, dang, someone's gonna make me tear up. She tried out with 120 other students and she got picked by this dance studio to compete and travel with their team. So I'm super excited for my daughter, Aaliyah. If you're watching this, congratulations, baby girl, you deserve it. Sky's the limit. Keep doing what you love. And I'm super proud of you, baby girl. You did it, you did it. It was a whole new dance studio. Like I said, 120 tryouts and she got picked. I don't know how many kids got picked. All I know is my baby girl got picked, so super excited for her, man. So comment below, congratulations for her, and I'll have her read all the comments. So there's really not much to it when you're cutting down your hair with a number, with one number, right? If it's all even. With the lineup, as you can see, my lineup is crazy. You see how much hair you have to remove in order for me to have a nice edge up. You technically have to push my lineup back in order for me to have a nice lineup. So I'm gonna show you guys. The corner of my eyebrows is where I like my lineup. So all this right here is gone. And then the highest receding point of my front lineup is right here. So I gotta knock all this off. And then again, same thing on this side, match it up right here. So I like to have my lineup at the corners of my eyebrows to have a nice clean lineup. Alright, so the next step, we're gonna go ahead and take this trimmer right here and create that first bald line on both sides. But what you wanna do is, since I wanna get rid of this C-cup area, go up to about right there, down to the corner of your ear, and you'll use that line to blend up. there. We doing what we can do. Lever all the way open. So we did the number 1, lever closed. Now we want to lift it all the way up, lever all the way open, and we're gonna start removing this bottom line. Put it in the middle. You're gonna take your half guard. So this is the number 1. Take your half guard and you'll be able to remove this. But you wanna start with your lever open, okay? Put it in the middle, start tapering that, and then close it, and that should bring your blend together. But with having a number 1 on top, it's not too much steps and it's not too difficult to create a nice, decent blend. There is some touch-up work that I want to do, but like I said, guys, it's difficult to do a self haircut. So I'm trying to do my best. I'm gonna use this to see my neckline right here and try to line this bad boy up. Right around here is where I want my vertical bars to be. Corner of my eyebrows. Off a lot of hair, guys, but that's how my hairline is. Put that vertical bar in there. Usually I have like the mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. However, y'all are here with me, so I gotta try to figure out a certain angle. Hold on. Alright, that's pretty much the end of the cut right there. Real simple. Number 1, all the way around. Put a little slit in my eyebrows and cleaned up my face a little bit. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. And as always, Team Gifted, stay gifted. My next client's here just in time. Let's go.